Welcome to Question Bank with Manisha ma'am. Question 1. What is the earth mostly covered with? About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. The remaining 1/4 is land. Question 2. Why is earth called the blue planet? The earth is called the blue planet because most of its surface is covered by water, mainly oceans. Question 3. What is an ocean? A very large body of salt water covering nearly 71% of Earth's surface. Question 4. What is a continent? A large continuous land mass surrounded by oceans or seas. Question 5. What is an island? A smaller piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Question 6. Are oceans and continents evenly distributed? No. The northern hemisphere has more land, the southern hemisphere has more water. Question 7. What are the circular lines and radiating lines shown on maps? The circular lines shown in map are parallels of latitude, and the radiating lines are meridians of longitude. Question 8. Name the 5 oceans. 1. Pacific Ocean. 2. Atlantic Ocean. 3. Indian Ocean. 4. Southern Antarctic Ocean. 5. Arctic Ocean. Question 9. Which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Question 10. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. Question 11. List the oceans in descending order of size. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Question 12. What lies on either side of India? Arabian Sea on west and Bay of Bengal on east. Question 13. Main boundaries of the Indian Ocean. Main boundaries of the Indian Ocean are: in the north lies Asia, in the west lies Africa, in the east lies Australia, and in the south lies the Southern Ocean. Question 14. Why can't humans drink seawater? Because seawater is salty and unfit for consumption. Question 15. What is freshwater and where is it found? Water without salt, found in rivers, lakes, glaciers, groundwater and atmosphere. So far so good. If you're finding this quiz interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting and educational quizzes. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more fun learning videos. Question 16. Why is there a talk of water scarcity? Though water is abundant, usable freshwater is very limited and unevenly distributed. Question 17. How do oceans impact climate and life? They bring rain, influence temperature and support marine life. Question 18. What is a cyclone? A violent storm originating over the ocean with strong winds and heavy rain. Question 19. What is a tsunami and how is it caused? A huge powerful wave caused by an earthquake or volcanic eruption on the ocean floor. Question 20. Describe the 2004 tsunami. Occurred on 26 December 2004 after an earthquake in Indonesia affected India and 13 countries. More than 2 lakh people died. Question 21. What is NDMA? National Disaster Management Authority of India deals with disaster response and management. Question 22. What is the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System? A joint international system to detect tsunamis early and warn coastal regions. Question 23. How many continents are there according to common classification? 7. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Question 24. Why is Eurasia sometimes counted as one continent? Because Europe and Asia form a single landmass called Eurasia in geological terms. Question 25. Largest and smallest continents? Largest Asia, smallest Australia. Question 26. Which continent is the coldest? Antarctica. Question 27. Name the 5 Olympic rings representation. Africa, America, Asia, Australia and Europe represent 5 inhabited continents. Question 28. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Question 29. How many islands does India have? More than 1,300 small islands. Question 30. Name two major groups of Indian islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, situated in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands, situated in Arabian Sea. Question 31. What is Dakshin Gangotri? India's first scientific base station in Antarctica, established in 1983. Question 32. What is the Indian Antarctica Program? Started 1981 for scientific research on climate and environment in Antarctica. Question 33. What is marine flora and fauna? Marine flora, plants like algae and seaweed, and marine fauna, animals like fish, whales, dolphins, etc. Question 34. How do oceans help in the water cycle? They evaporate water that forms clouds and brings rain to continents. Question 35. Why are oceans called the planet's lungs? Because they produce more than half of the Earth's oxygen through marine plants. Question 36. List some ways oceans benefit humans. Rainfall, climate balance, food, fishing, transport and trade routes, cultural heritage. Question 37. What is World Oceans Day and when is it celebrated? 8th June, to remind people of the ocean's importance and promote its protection. Question 38. What are the main threats to oceans? Pollution, like plastic waste, overfishing, and climate change. Question 39. Locate the 5 oceans and, in the table below, mark the hemisphere or hemispheres they belong to. Pacific Ocean, both northern and southern hemispheres. It extends on both sides of the equator, the largest ocean in the world. The North Pacific is between Asia and North America. The South Pacific lies between Australia and South America. Atlantic Ocean, both northern and southern hemispheres. Second largest ocean, it separates the continents of America to the west from Europe and Africa to the east. Crosses the equator, so lies in both hemispheres. Indian Ocean, mainly in the southern hemisphere, but partly in the northern, bounded by Asia in the north, Africa in the west, Australia in the east, and the Southern Ocean in the south. The Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, parts of it, lie in the northern hemisphere. Southern Ocean, entirely in the southern hemisphere, surrounds the continent of Antarctica, located south of 60 degrees south latitude. Arctic Ocean, entirely in the northern hemisphere. Smallest and shallowest ocean, surrounds the North Pole and bordered by Europe, Asia, and North America. Question 40. Let's look at the answers of the crossword. Across. 1. Abundantly produced by the oceans. Answer is oxygen. 3. A large expanse of landmass. Answer is continent. 6. A large continent of which India is a part. Answer is Asia. 8. A major source of pollution of the oceans. Answer is plastic. 10. The coldest continent. Answer is Antarctica. Down. 2. The largest island on earth. Answer is Greenland. 4. A huge destructive wave from the ocean. Answer is tsunami. 5. The smallest continent. Answer is Australia. 7. The largest body of water on the earth. Answer is Pacific. 9. A landmass, but not a continent, surrounded by the sea or ocean. Answer is island. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I'm sure you learned something new and exciting today. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing science, SST, and general knowledge videos. Want to keep learning? Just click the link on your screen and explore more fun quizzes and lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.